Hello everyone! Welcome to DIY House. Do you like the long-eared bunny? I like it very much. Today I will make a house for it. I finished the house frame with cardboard. The three-story house is very high, covered in pink and blue colors. I will do the bedroom first. Oh, great sound! A pretty pink piano in the corner of the room. I need to compose a piece of music.
I love it. Nice.
What do you think about a flower-shaped night light? I use clay to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 petals. Add a switch. Done.
Good.
For the bed I use cardboard. Then cover it with a layer of clay. Flatten out. Be careful, clay can crack very easily.
All right.
Stuff the mattress with cotton to make the bed softer. Use colorful clay balls to make a rainbow headboard. Purple, blue, sky blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Cut off the excess. Oh, so beautiful! Use clay to make a rabbit pillow.
Yes.
Ta-da! 2 rabbits make cute pillows.
I love it, thank you. Wow, it's so beautiful. Help me. I need a staircase to go down.
Okay.
Wow! I just bought a lot of books. Please help me make a carrot-shaped cabinet.
I used Foamex as a frame covered in orange from soft foam paper. Divide into 3 compartments. Don't forget the leaf on top.
So good!
cabinets with books. Red, yellow, green, blue, pink.
Good.
A purple radio. Do you know how to make it?
Great.
Now we need a kitchen on the second floor. Use cardboard as a cabinet. Bake emulsion paper to make cabinet doors. I used clay to make microwave wings. A system of buttons in all colors of red, green, and blue. Done! Isn't that great? Do you like to eat vegetables? I will make a radish for the fruit basket. The fruit is ready to eat. Mix together to get a pastel pink color. You need to mix it thoroughly. Do you know what I'm doing? A completed mini gas stove. A few more jars of spices.
I have an appointment tonight. Let's make a table and 2 chairs.
It's simple if you use clay to make a table. Use recycled bottle caps to make table legs. Cut off the excess. Pink TV shelf. What do you think? Use orange emulsion paper to make cabinet doors.
Awesome.
The clay rainbow TV helps Bunny entertain himself after stressful classes. Add to cute long ears. Haha, the carrot speaker set makes me laugh. Turn over and attach the chair legs with pink beads. I have made for soft cushions.
Oh, the chair is so cute.
Now completing the first floor. The parking garage has a button that automatically opens and closes the door. Window.
Good. good.
Mini swimming pool. I'll fill it up with more water. Carrot house rabbit statue. The house is completed. Let's take a tour. Which room do you like the most? Swimming pool, living room, or bedroom? If you have any ideas, please comment below the video for us. Please update and follow so you can see me build many new houses. Now I have homework to finish. Goodbye.